Hey guys, do you know what is packages in Java? Package is very important topic in Java. Without packages, we even cannot deploy our product to the client. We cannot compress our classes. We cannot create jar files. And therefore, we must learn what is package in Java, how to use package in Java. To understand packages in a proper way, we have to understand six different things. I have created videos on every point and I have uploaded on YouTube and they are available free of cost. The first thing that we have to understand is what is package. So what is concept of package? It is nothing but collection for classes or your interfaces, and from operating system point of view it is just like a folder. But how to create or use that package programmatically, that we have to understand, and why we need to use these packages. What is the purpose? What are the benefits of using packages? There are several benefits of packages. We can arrange our classes in a proper hierarchy. We can find out required classes immediately even though there are a lot of packages. Even we can create sub packages inside it. It's a mean to distribute your package, your solution to the client. It's one of the best way to compress your files, and all things are hidden inside a package, and outside the package we can simply access the files those are required. So why we need these packages we have to discuss in detail, and I have uploaded a separate video on it, and its link is given in description. If you want, you can just go back and find out those videos where we have discussed about what is concept of package and what are benefits of packages. Once we work with the basic concept of package, we have to understand what are the different types of packages. There are two types of packages: built-in package and user-defined package. Built-in packages are ready-made available in Java, and user-defined package or customized packages, these are packages created by programmer. Without using ready-made classes, we cannot go for any kind of programming. Java requires some classes for its own purpose, for its own working style, and all those classes, ready-made classes, are available in the form of packages. The default package which is used by every Java program is java.lang. Java is a main package which contains one more sub package called as lang, L-A-N-G, and it contains some classes required for Java language itself. And these classes are by default available to every Java program. We don't need to import these classes. Now these three things are about theoretical background of package. What is package? Why we need package? And what are the types of package? Once we are having knowledge of these theoretical points, we have to go for its a practical part. And the part number 4 is how to import package. Ready-made packages are available, then how to use those packages in our program, and how to write import statement, how to import all the classes, or how to import a particular class from the package. All those things we have to understand programmatically. Using import statement is not compulsory, but if you don't import that class, you have to write the full path every time, which is complicated for programmer, and it's a time consuming too. And therefore we have to import all required classes or interfaces at the top of your program, and once they are available we can directly access or use the class name or interface name in our program. So it saves a lot of time, and it also speed up your program in case of compilation, because once the class is available locally to your program, every time it is not necessary to use the full path. Now after using ready-made packages, the next thing that we have to learn is how to create our own package. So package keyword is used, and it should be the first keyword in your program, and then we have to create classes. So again there are different types of classes that we have to create: public class, protected class, and then accordingly we have to put them in a particular package. So package followed by package name we have to write at the top of your program, and then the package will get created. Now in this case, what important thing that we have to learn is how to compile the program so that package will get created, or what will be the location where the package will be created. So we have to use some additional command line arguments so that we can specify where we want our compiled outcome, where we want our package. So we can keep our programs in a different location, and we will get our packages at a different location. Now that is possible by providing a proper class path and by using proper path while compiling the programs. So I have given the detailed demonstration with example how to create a package at a specified location, and its a link is given in description. Just use that video, just watch that video and do it practically. After creating package, one more thing that we have to learn is how to work with sub packages. So one package can have multiple sub packages inside it according to requirement. So how to create sub package or how to import sub package, all those things we have to understand. Now these are the 6 different things that we have to learn in packages, and I have uploaded separate video on each of them, and their links are given in description. What you have to do is just go to YouTube and search for Java packages by Dr. Mukund Kulkarni. You will get lot of videos and links. Please subscribe the channel, watch all the videos, do the programs practically, and you can learn a lot of things from Java. All those videos are free of cost available. Please share this link to your friends and ask them to subscribe the channel. And if you got some values from these videos, please put your comment. That will encourage me to make more videos for you, and you can learn more from my side. If you want to join my courses, they are available and you can join them, where you can learn this programming in a proper sequence. You can learn from YouTube videos also, but it will take some time and it will not have any accountability. If you join my courses, you will get lot of additional stuffs. You can join my private community. You will get some additional programs to execute. You will get a proper sequence of video lectures. You will also get a live video call, video meetings, weekly meetups. We will have a discussion forum where you can put your problems and errors, and you will get support from our team. And you can just watch our website for our available courses and you can join them. If you have got any value from this video, please subscribe the channel, share this video with your friends, and wish you best luck for learning programming. Happy learning.